Are you looking for the best carpet cleaners? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best carpet cleaners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bissell Little Green Cordless Portable Carpet Cleaner. Cleaning tools like carpet cleaners can be clunky and heavy, but the Bissell Little Green Cordless Portable Carpet Cleaner is just the opposite. At just £10, this small yet mighty cleaner has 2 cleaning modes, is cordless, and includes a couple of useful attachments. We also think this is one of the best upholstery cleaners. In our testing, we were impressed with how well and how quickly it removed coffee and juice stains in particular. We also appreciated the 2 cleaning modes Turbo and Eco, as well as the powerful suction and the attachments that are useful for getting into angles and hard to reach areas. As a bonus, the hose wraps around the entire cleaner for an easy and tangle-free storage. During a 6-month testing period, we used this cleaner on several types of rugs, a couch, and car upholstery, and it all held up well. The suction power and spray were perfectly intact and was a great tool to clean up small fibers, pet messes, and brighten carpets and rugs. Because it's cordless and compact, this portable carpet cleaner has a runtime of approximately 20 minutes or up to 35 minutes on Eco mode. However, we don't mind the short battery life since this model is optimal for portability, maneuverability, and spot cleaning pet messes, but not necessarily for large cleaning jobs. Plus, it's a great cleaner for carpeted stairs and stores easily in just about any closet in your home. Weight, 10 pounds. Battery run time, between 20 and 35 minutes. Hose length, 4 feet. Clean water tank size, 33 fluid ounces. Dirty water tank size, 37 fluid ounces. Accessories, tough stain tool, self-cleaning hose tool. Number 2. Hoover Power-Pet Advanced Carpet Cleaner. In our testing, the Hoover Power-Pet Advanced Cleaner removed both fresh and dried coffee, chocolate, and wine stains. The light stains left behind also improved and eventually vanished with more passes. We especially like how lightweight this model is and the fact that it comes with a 2-in-1 attachment for spot cleaning pet messes, which we tested in a high-traffic area where a large dog lies down frequently. After using this cleaner for 6 months, we noticed a brighter look and fresher scent after every use, even lightening old, dark spots. We did notice that the instructions were not clear on how to attach the hose, and it leaked some water during the cleaning session, but its powerful suction was a notably redeemable feature. For those looking for a lightweight carpet cleaner, especially if you have pets, this cleaner is convenient, efficient, and an overall excellent value. Weight, 18 pounds. Cord length, 20 feet. Hose length, 8 feet. Clean water tank size, 0.5 gallons. Dirty water tank size, not listed. Accessories, 2-in-1 tool. Number 3. Bissell Big Green Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner. Indoor pet messes are notoriously challenging and bothersome to clean up, but with the Bissell Big Green Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner, cleaning up these messes is a breeze. In our testing, we found that this model did an excellent job at removing fresh and set-in stains and worked even better with the wet/dry attachment and a couple more passes. After 2 months, it brightened up our white-gray carpet and made them smell better too. We've been so impressed at how it's removed stubborn stains and lingering pet odors. There aren't any grubby stains or wear spots left over either. We thought it was plenty easy and straightforward to assemble and use, and after the cleaning session, we noticed a fresh, clean scent and a brighter rug. Despite its weight and size, this carpet cleaner maneuvers easily and doesn't feel as heavy as other models, although it does take up quite a bit of storage space. Additionally, there is nowhere to store the attachments on the cleaner itself, but we didn't see this as much of a setback because of how well it worked overall. It is only a minor inconvenience if you want to quickly change the attachments. If you have large and/or multiple pets, this is a must-have for your home. Weight, 41 pounds. Cord length, 25 inches. Hose length, 9 inches. Clean water tank size, 1.75 gallons dirty water tank size, 1.75 gallons accessories, tough stain tool, 2-in-1 tool. Number 4. Best for spot cleaning. Spot cleaning is essential for overall maintenance, so to get the job done, we recommend the Dirt Devil Portable Spot Cleaner FD13000. At just 8 pounds, this is the most lightweight product on our list, so it's great for smaller living spaces or anyone looking to use a more compact cleaning tool, plus, the handle makes carrying it an afterthought. We also loved how easy it was to use during our testing. The assembly was simple and emptying and filling the tanks were also a breeze. Over the course of 6 months, we used this cleaner to successfully eliminate pet stains, including dirty paw marks, drool, and stains from pet snacks, as well as a coffee stain from a couch. Although this carpet cleaner had a tougher time cleaning stains such as mustard and marinara during our initial testing, it was efficient when removing soda and wine stains. Since this model has a short hose, it's important to be mindful when working on something that might be higher off the floor, such as upholstered chairs or a sofa. With a bit of care and precision, however, you'll see that this is the best carpet cleaner for spot cleaning, especially in smaller spaces and certain crevices due to its compact, portable, and versatile design. Weight: 8 pounds. Cord length: 15 feet. Hose length: 4.5 feet. Clean water tank size: 19 fluid ounces. Dirty water tank size: 16 fluid ounces. Accessories: 2-in-1 pet tool, stain tool. What stands out? It's lightweight, great for small living spaces, and easy to use. What could be improved? The hose is on the shorter side, which isn't ideal for cleaning items high off the floor, like furniture.